Brr. Hey. It looks like my dad is adding some more land. We use green wood, that way it's already like fertilized and stuff, and maybe stuff will just grow on its own automatically. I don't know. It's kind of a weird corner in here. So we just decided, well, let's just add a little bit in here and we'll kind of line up with that tunnel portal nicely, hopefully. So it's that. I'm actually working on a little bit of stuff too, that turnout over there. Let's go look at it. So my dad tested it out and it needed a little work. So I've been kind of tweaking the points a little bit and put a ground throw in there. Also just hooked it up to a frog juicer that I actually kind of had under the layout. Back over there to the left. So just pulled the wire off of that. And this other track here, it needed to be realigned a little bit, and basically I needed to cut out like a 1/4 inch of rail because it was a little bit too long now. So kind of got that straightened out. Actually just gluing down some foam underneath it there. So I think I may go ahead and test this out. Both the standard gauge and the narrow gauge worked on that turnout now. I've been working with it a lot tonight. Let me show you a couple other things. This is the Kenosha Pass area, and these big turnouts here, I think they're number 8s. We never had the frogs connected, and it's always worked fine. Of course, until I did the scenery and the points got a little dirty and it stopped working. So I just wired up the frogs on those 2, and those are working very well now. So that's good. This is our long run across the stairs. One of these point rails popped off, so fix that real quick. So this is the intermodal yard, and I didn't get it in, but I actually remembered to bring the little Code 83 track that I had sitting on my desk. Ooh, that reminds me, I need to bring another one back. Here's what my dad has been working on most of the night. You kind of saw it from a distance. Just kind of added some more land and basically made this curve kind of run into that curve. So that looks much better. So got progress going on over here. This is looking good. I like it. So this is the mountain area that Dad's been working on over here by Como, and so this part of Como, this actually is very prototypical of the area. This did not exist down here, but that's just what we had to do for this layout. But anyways, he got that tunnel portal fixed up, kind of got some mountain started, and the big job actually was he cut this out so that we can have this creek come through. That actually has a name. It runs through Como. I can't think of it right now. But anyways, that can now drop down, and we'll probably put like a box culvert in there or some kind of culvert. So that was kind of a big job. Put something underneath that once we decide how deep we want that. This is good because this area is kind of ugly and it's gonna look better soon. Hey, so that's kind of it for the night. I don't know, to be honest with you, I was just kind of in a grumpy mood today, so I didn't feel like shooting a lot of video, but I did make sure that I showed you what we got accomplished today, and we actually accomplished some good stuff. That's really good. Things are running pretty well, it seems like. So anyways, we'll catch you next week. We will, well, whatever, catch you next week, like I said already. All right, anyways, we'll see you later. Thanks for watching.